One of the biggest hazards we face when we do right-of-way clearing is steep slopes, mainly because the operator can hit a hole or something like that, sudden shift, and the tractor rolls down the hillside. We've never had it happen, thankfully, but it is one of the main dangers that we face out here. So on the project behind me that we're doing currently, the customer wanted us to give a multi-step plan. So what we did here, we actually put inclinometers in all of the tractors, and those tractors are rated up to about 25 degrees. So when it hits 25 degrees, an audible alarm goes off notifying the operator that, hey, we got to stop here. At that point, we bring in remote control brush mowers. These are rated for slopes up to 60 degrees. And that specific brand is a Green Climber. LV800 is the model. And with that, we're able to go all the way out to 60 degrees, which takes care of almost all of these spots. And the few spots over that, we then have to do by hand. One of the other things we can do at Lantern Corp is actually put all of this inside of our GIS program so that in the future, you know exactly what grade each section of this right-of-way is and where the hazards are at. Last but not least, before we start any of these projects, we walk this right-of-way out, and we're putting flags up on the easement boundary over the pipe. But then what we're doing is we're looking for sinkholes or anything where there's a sudden change in that ground. So if it's normally 60 degrees, but there's a hidden hole that's maybe grown up in brush, all of a sudden now you're 75 degrees when that tire drops off in it. So we do that walk around, and when we find those spots, we are flagging those and also noting those in the GIS as well. So there is a safe way to do it. You just got to have the right equipment, and you got to be patient and take the time to do it right. So if you're a pipeline company and you have hillsides just like this, where you struggle to find a contractor that can safely do the work, check out Lantern Corp. We have the right equipment, the right people, and the right tools to do the job safely.